Show presented by Demel Heating and Air at the Four Seasons Center. It's in full swing this afternoon, going on until 8 o'clock, and we are joined live by Andy Gott right here on Cows.
Absolutely, Eric, and I am also being joined by the folks at Cappy's Collision Center. I'm here with Alan and Jeremy. You guys have both been here for a while at Cappy's, right?
Yeah, I've worked for over 20 years. My name's Jeremy, and Al is here with me also. He's got over 10 years in.
All right, Jeremy, I want you to answer a serious question. I told you there weren't going to be any serious questions. I lied. One serious question for me. Our salesperson, Lori Jensen, just told me you used to have a mullet. Is that true?
Yeah, I guess I did, but I didn't think that was going to come up.
You didn't think it was going to come up. I had to ask, man. I was just checking.
So anyways, that kind of puts my age in on
it. Does. It's okay. Like I said, I had a rat tail, man. That's even more embarrassing, isn't it? I mean, a rat tail? I think only Joe Dirt had a rat tail when he was a kid. But anyways, so you guys do all kinds of great stuff over at Cappy's. Tell us a little bit about that.
Recently, within the last year, we've kind of changed the name from Restoration, Cappy's Auto Restoration, to Cappy's Collision Center.
Yeah.
Because we want everybody to know we do collision work.
Right.
Not just restoration.
Yeah.
You know, we'll restore your car to original.
Yeah, and if somebody needs to get that done, they might just feel overwhelmed and they don't even know where to start. It's probably a much easier process than they realize, and once they're done, they're probably like, well, that wasn't that bad.
Yeah, you know, when you get in an accident, everybody's in a bad mood to start with usually. So, but we'll make it easy on you. We work with all insurance companies.
Good.
We can help you through it and make your car look great again.
That's great. Well, Alan joins us as well. And Alan, how long have you been with Cappy's?
Well, I've actually worked there for about 10 years.
Wow.
But growing up around the place, I'm the owner's son.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So Charlie Kaplan's the one that started Cappy's Auto Restoration.
Right.
He did that about 26 years ago.
Yeah. And how has it changed over time? You talked a little bit about how the title of the business has changed, but how have you seen it change over time?
Well, you know, we've gone from doing a lot of restoration work. A lot of people out there know us as primarily restoration.
Yeah.
Well, that's not the case anymore.
Right.
We specialize in a lot of late model collision repair.
Sure.
Like Jeremy said, working with all insurance companies, getting your car.
That's a big thing.
Yep, getting your car back down the road to, pre-accident condition. Getting everybody that peace of mind. A lot of people, when they get in an accident, they think that their car is never going to be the same.
Yeah.
Well, that's not the case. It's our job to make sure that you get your car back and don't have anything to worry about.
Yeah.
And if there's ever any questions, you bring it back and let us know.
And, Jeremy spoke a few moments ago about when you first get in that accident, you're kind of in a bad mood, and, you just don't feel like dealing with it. You already have all these other things on your plate, and then that just adds something. But one of the great things is when you get your car back, you're in a great mood, and it's just a great feeling to have that car back in your ownership again. You guys help people out with that.
Yep, and that's what we're here to do.
That's nice.
Basically, when you get in an accident, the only thing you need to know is, well, first of all, you got to call your insurance company.
Right.
Let them know.
Yeah.
Make sure you're okay. That's the other thing. And just look us up on the web.
Come see the guys at Cappy's.
Yep, come see us, and we'll get you back on the road.
Yeah, so people can find you online. They can
www.cappysauto.com.
Perfect. And where can they find you in Owatonna?
It's if anybody knows where the old KOA campground is.
Okay.
It's out on 24th Avenue Southwest.
Okay. Now, what if you're a newbie like me? I've lived in Owatonna a little over a year, so I wouldn't know that.
Yeah, it'd just be basically you go on the southwest corner of Owatonna.
Yeah.
Go south on County Road 45.
Mm-hmm.
Take a right on 28th Street Southwest.
Mm-hmm.
And go all the way down to 24th Avenue Southwest.
That's perfect.
Take a right, and we're at the end of the road.
Sounds
really
good.
Easy to find. Once you know where we're at, we're really easy to get to.
Great. Well, yeah, I love what you guys do. I like your commercials, too, by the way. Yeah, those are good. They're very catchy, too. And I also like the little guy that you brought with you. Alan, you brought Harrison.
Yep, that's little Harrison.
He's stylish, by the way. He's got a pretty cool hat on, so we want to thank him for coming on.
Yep, that's his Elmer Fudd hat.
Now, do you think he would say hi?
Well, I don't know. We can try.
We try to put him on here.
Harrison, you want to say hi to everybody?
Harrison, would you like to say hi to everybody on the air?
Hi, friends.
Oh, there we go.
It was small. I don't know if you heard that.
We did hear that, and that's impressive. Sometimes you put that microphone up to him, and they don't say anything. So
he's a natural, I guess.
He is a natural. Maybe he can take my job one day. So, well, Alan and Jeremy, thanks for joining us today, and good luck at the home show, guys.
Thank you for having us on, and hope we see everybody up here.
Absolutely. That's what we're trying to do. It is the 2016 Home and Recreation Show, presented this year by Demo Heating and Air. We're talking with the folks at Cappy's. For now, it's Andy Gotts on Cows 100.9.
All right, thanks, Andy.
We're doing good.
Good. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. It's Alan and Jeremy. Tell folks a little bit about your business. First of all, Jeremy, you guys recently went under a name change. Now, everybody kind of knows you guys as Cappy's, but you just changed your name within the last year or so, right?
Yeah, everybody probably knows us as Cappy's Auto Restoration.
Yeah.
We kind of got sick of hearing people say, we didn't know you did collision work.
Yeah.
So we recently changed it to Collision Center.
Yeah.
We can take care of all your needs.
Yeah.
You know, all your collision. We deal with all the insurance companies. Mm-hmm. If you got a scratch, a dent, or you get in an accident, deer hit, anything, come see us. We can handle it all.
Yes, and sometimes those things happen at the worst, time. You feel like, it's the worst opportune time for something like that to happen, but you guys can fix it quickly, efficiently, and then get people back on the road. Alan, we were talking earlier about how sometimes people, when they get into a major accident, something major happens to their car, they don't think that it's fixable, but it usually is in some cases.
It's our job to, make people think that, hey, my car's going to be okay again.
Right.
It's not going to be a rebuilt wreck. It's not going to be something that's just, an old beater.
Yeah.
We'll get it back on the road and get it back to A1 condition, and that's what we're there for.
Get folks feeling great again.
Give you that peace of mind back.
Absolutely. There's nothing better than getting back in your car after, it's been a few days and you've gotten it restored. That feeling when you get back in that driver's seat and you're going down the road again, it's amazing.
Yep. Might even look better than it did before the accident.
Yeah.
Yep, a lot of times that does happen. It looks better than when it did before you hit it.
That's fantastic. Well, yeah, we wish you guys the best here at the Home and Recreation Show this year. We appreciate you being here. And we also have another special guest with us. Jeremy, your daughter Brooklyn is also here with us. Brooklyn, can you say hi to the audience here on Crew?
Hi.
Oh, now tell everybody, how old are you, Brooklyn?
8.
All right, and what's some of your favorite music?
Country.
Do you like country? Good, because you're on Crew Country 92 right now, so that's good that you said that. So what's some, do you have an artist or a song that you like that maybe we can throw on for you? Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, well, we'll talk off the air maybe about something you might want to hear, and we'll help Brooklyn out. So, Brooklyn, have a fantastic home show. Can you tell people to come on out to the Cows and Crew Home and Recreation Show?
Come on out to the Cows and Crew
Home and Recreation Show.
Home and Recreation Show.
There you go. High five. You did it. Nice job, Brooklyn. Okay, where can folks find you guys?
You can call us at 451-8989. We're just south of town.
Okay.
We can give you directions. We're by the campground.
Perfect.
Give us a call. We'll take care of you.
Great. She did a fantastic job, by the way, Jeremy.
Yeah, she did pretty good.
She did good. You should be proud of your daughter. They can also find you guys online.
Yeah, they can also find us online at www.cappysauto.com.
Perfect. Thank you guys for being here.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, have fun at the Home and Recreation Show. We're having fun. I'm broadcasting live until 6 o'clock tonight. For now, it's Andy Gotts on Crew Country 92.